was a mark for the rendition of the song he wrote for Julie, a song for Julie.
Alive to sing a song for me. As I held you in my arms, I could hear it sing. The flight in search of she picked as hard as they take your hands there. I'll be there. Love you, I swear, in every way I can carry you
I would just like to take this time to thank everyone, especially our those who are closest to us, our parents, Papa Yogi, Papa Toto, Mama Celia, Papa Doloy, our primary sponsors, and to all of our friends who have supported us, not just with prayers, but also in kind and in cash. Well, I'm so thankful for all of you for making this wedding, the mass and the reception program so beautiful. And I would like to assure you that I will try my best to give Julie a marriage rite that is worthy of your support. Thank you so much.
My heart is full gratitude for all the support that you have given us, Mark and I would like to thank the choir which is on during the mass. We practiced really hard for it, and we really thank you for that. I will just mention special people. My great friend Happy Ministry family, high school seniors and the college campus community, my relatives and friends who are here. Boyes, who coordinated the wedding, thank you. Mandy, Lupita, is the one who prepared for this beautiful setup here. And my makeup is from Japan. So I would like to thank you. I will not be able to make mention everything or everyone, but I have my guest book. You will be placing my guest book near the altar, and we will be praying for all of you every time. And every time we pray, you will be there in our prayers. All the names who are written there. Kuya Ruben, Rasuta of Rasuta Photography, thank you so much. And with that, I would like to say thank you so much. God bless you, and more power to all of you.